Chapter number 9, String Formatting. In this chapter, we are going to learn about all the methods provided by Python. There are at least 3 dozen to 4 dozen methods provided by Python, so it's good to know some of them because it'll be very handy. String formatting is very much used in the real life world. There's a lot of times you need to format your string in the programming world to get the desired output in files. You have to represent the data in certain format, and you need to do string formatting all the time. So to start with, there are two functions which we have already seen: print and length. So we can print a string, and we can find the length of the string. Next is all the methods provided by Python for string. I would like, if you want to pause the video here and just read through uh, all this methods. There are, as I said, there are 3 dozen um, odd methods provided by Python for the string. So all the ones which are marked with black font are regular, like I have used them regularly. I'll just read through one or two and you will get the idea. So capitalize is convert the first character to the uppercase. So if you want to convert just the first character, use capitalize. Uh, Similarly, caseful. If you want to convert everything to lowercase, convert string into lowercase, use caseful. Count is returns the number of time a specified value occurs in a string, and so on and so forth. So, yep, if you pause and have a read, I will move on to my next set of methods. So this is the next one. So is lower is a boolean and returns true or false. If all character in the string are lowercase, it will return true. Similarly, all the methods with starting with is returns a boolean value. So is numeric, if the string has got a numeric, suppose the string is 1 to 3, and if you say is numeric string 1 to 3, then it will return you true. Um, Similarly, is upper, and so on. So again, pause the video and go through all of this. And yeah, I'll move on to the next one. If you see split, for example, uh, splits the string into a list. We'll see an example of split. Similarly, strip. We'll also see strip in our example. So there you go. Those are the list of methods. So let's go to our example. So the aim of the example is to try different string formatting methods provided by Python. So I'm defining my variable a as hello comma world, and the first exercise, the first example is to print what is there in position 1. So we all know by now that first position is 0. So if I say position 1, then e will should get printed. Similarly, length of a string. So length is how much the length of this hello world is. So if I count them, let me mark it, and then yeah, if I count them, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I should get answer 13. uh, so I've introduced uh, a variable b and purposely kept a space here, and then I'm concatenating the two strings. So c equal to a plus b, so it is a and b joined together, and then printing it. So for now, let's run it and see till line number 12 what happens. So as I mentioned here, in our line number 4, we'll get answer E. For line number 7, that is print length A, we got answer 13. And for concatenating string, we got both A and B concatenated. So at this point, let's print, let's put some bifurcation in here so that we know we don't have to look at the one above that. And let's clear this. Now, here is give me print B, give me from position 2 to position 5. So B is this, so give me, so this is position, let me highlight it. So this is position 0, position 1, position 2. So it is saying give me from position 2 to position 5. So I should get OOD. Uh, find the number of times space is there in C. So let's run this and then we'll have more. Okay, so if I scroll down a little bit more, yep, there you go. So I got OOD and number of time the space is there in our example. So in this, there's one space here, two space here, and three space here. So we got answer 3, which is this one. Now, this example, I'm saying index of world. So in this, what is the index where the word world appears? So the index would be, the answer would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so seventh position world has appeared. So I got the answer 7. Now, is C is numeric? Yeah, so the answer will be Boolean. So C, the value of C is this. So is it numeric? No. So our answer is false. Now I've defined a new variable D, which is 1, 2, 3, and I'm asking is D numeric? So I got the answer to true. Now convert a string to a lowercase. So I converted everything hello world, good morning to all lowercase. Now this is replace. Replace is very much used in real world, and you often replace delimiters from one to another, or replace space with no space and things like that. So here I'm replacing world with student, and yeah, I got hello students. So world is got replaced with student, and this one split. I'm saying split wherever there is space. So in return, I got a list. So square bracket, we all know square bracket is list, round bracket is tuple, and curl bracket is set. Yeah. So I got a square bracket which is list, and I've got this hello world, good morning, got split into 4 values of list. Hello world, exclamation, good, and morning. All right, last 2 examples. So strip. Now what does strip do is it will take out a blank space from the leftmost of the first part of the string and the end part of the string. So because we don't have any, so in this, so not this, so this one, in this we don't have a space in front and space at the end. So this strip won't do much, so it'll just print whatever it is. But if I had a space in front or at the end, it'll just strip it off. And finally, upper, it'll convert everything to uppercase. So you can see, hello world, good morning. So that's all for the string formatting. Please do try all the different types which are provided, and do understand the subtle difference between so many functions, sorry, methods provided by Python, and it will be helpful in the certification. Also, it will be helpful in interview preparation. Thank you. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.